Mix it up, stir it all around. Flour, eggs, and milk go in, make a happy sound. Sugar makes it sweet, butter makes it fine. Whisk it quick and watch it thick, pancakes on the line. Fluffy, fluffy pancakes, yummy as can be. Golden, round, and tasty, breakfast just for me. Syrup drips like magic, berries on the side. Pancakes make us giggle with every bite so wide. Pour it in the pan, sizzle, flip, and spin. Watch it turn to golden brown, breakfast will begin. Stack them high like towers, soft and warm and sweet. Pancakes in the morning time, the best treat we can eat.